if you truly, truly believe something about yourself, other people can detect it, and it kinda is a self-fulfilling prophecy. I consider myself extremely lucky.
Okay.
But I also do believe you make your own luck, and I also do believe in any scenario you can view yourself as lucky or unlucky, right? I view myself as lucky. We're all lucky. Like bacteria could have stole our eyesight, right?
Yeah.
Could have gotten a car crash last week. We're all here, we're all alive, we're all breathing. So on some level, we're all lucky. And I believe if you view yourself as a lucky person, it's a more positive way to go through the world. But I do believe in certain things. I do believe that if you truly, truly believe something about yourself, other people can detect it, and it kinda is a self-fulfilling prophecy. If you truly believe you're lucky, if you truly believe you're an exceptional individual, if you truly believe that your life is fantastic, people will start to believe it, and if other people start to believe it, then it becomes closer to being true. Why on earth are you gonna go through life and believe you're an unlucky individual?
Yeah.
I don't see how that can benefit you. Why would you think, it's kind of crazy, because I say this, the number one thing people don't have control of in their lives is their mind. But what's funny about that is, the only thing in life you can truly control is your mind. You can't control other people, you can't control the weather, you can't even control your health. Your heart might stop beating, you don't make it beat, it just goes, so it's gonna turn off one day. Yep. The only thing you can control in your life is what you think in your mind. So if you're gonna sit there and go, oh, I'm sad, well, you can change that if you actually try, but you don't, you just accept it, right? So people have lost control of their own minds. And I don't understand why you would allow your own mind to take power from you. Why would you believe let your own mind convince you you're not a lucky person, or I'm not this, or I'm not confident? Why would you let your own mind sabotage you? Why wouldn't you reprogram your own mind to be on your team? It should be your ally, right? My mind is my ally. You can dump me in a bikini in the Arctic Circle to die. 2 days later, I'm coming to your house, knocking on the door with 3 girlfriends in a Cadillac. I'm not gonna sit there and go, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna be like, okay, Andrew, you're the man. I don't know what the fuck we're gonna do, but you're gonna pull this off. I really believe in that irrational self-confidence to some degree. Doesn't mean be a jackass, doesn't mean be an egomaniac. But in certain scenarios, there's absolutely no benefit to doubting yourself. When I was about to get in the cage, even if I knew the guy was a killer, there is no benefit to me thinking I'm gonna lose or I might lose. There's no benefit. If I lose, right? But you have to completely believe you're gonna win. That's the only way you're gonna do your best. I would never believe I'm unlucky. I would never believe anything negative about myself because I refuse to self-sabotage. I have enough people out in the world who want to sabotage me. I'm not gonna do it to myself. But yeah, no, I'm absolutely an extremely lucky person. And I know I've been lucky in my life. A lot of hard work went in as well, but yeah, there's a degree of luck in everything. Yeah. But I'm an exceptionally lucky person. Of course, I'm an exceptionally lucky person. Life's good, right? Life's good, and I control my mind. My mind doesn't sabotage me. My mind will never say anything negative about me or what I can do or what I've done ever.